Number 22. Identify the elements in each chemical formula and tell how many atoms of each are present. Pretty simple problem. You need to know that these abbreviations represent elements. You need to know what K is, what CR is, and what O is in the first one. So we have A. K, you probably know this, is potassium. And you can look on the periodic table and locate potassium. It's over here. It's one of the alkali metals in the first column, element number 19. Okay, so that's potassium. And you got two of them. Okay, so 2 atoms. B. Whoops, we forgot to finish A. So CR, that's looking on the periodic table. You know, it might take you a while to locate these things at first, you know, as you first learn chemistry, but eventually you'll get to know a lot of the elements and where they are. Don't worry about memorizing all of them, but CR is right here. It's another metal, and this is the element chromium. So Cr, chromium. And you also got 2 atoms of that. And then finally, O, you probably know is oxygen. And you got 7 atoms of oxygen in the formula. And oxygen is over here, right there. Of course, you should always know what, you know, the big 4 are: H, C, O, and N. But learn several of the other elements. You know, it would help you out, just make things a little more quick. So B. Okay, we'll do one more of these. B has got a bunch of elements in there. So you got C. Here you got C. You got H. I'll just do all these in black. You got N. All right, and here you got N, and then this is not another N. This is Na. Okay, abbreviations are either one letter or 2 letters where they're an upper and a lowercase. So it's always an uppercase, but there could be a lowercase as well. So if you see an uppercase letter followed by a lowercase, that's 1. Okay, and then finally the last one is O. Alright, so C is, of course, carbon. There's carbon right there. H is hydrogen. Okay, here, these are 2 of the big 4, 3 of the big 4 actually. N is nitrogen. Okay, and then of course you got oxygen down there. You will see these guys in formulas quite a bit, so learn them. And then Na is sodium. That's also an important one. Everybody consumes too much sodium. Now, how many atoms are present in each? Well, if there's 1, you don't have to write the number 1. So you can see that nitrogen, sodium each have 1 atom. So I'll just put 1 next to the nitrogen and the sodium. And then for carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, it's 5, 8, and 4. 5, 8, and 4 atoms. And I think you can hit the last one yourself, C. That's the B is a formula for MSG, flavor enhancer. Very tasty stuff. And then C is the formula for vitamin B7.